In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a Capital One bank account. Whether you're looking to manage your savings more efficiently or need a reliable checking account, Capital One offers a range of options that might just fit your needs. Let's dive right in and get your account set up. First, you'll want to visit the official Capital One website. Once there, take a moment to explore the different types of accounts available. Whether you're considering a checking account for daily transactions or a savings account to help grow your funds, make sure to choose the one that aligns best with your financial goals. After deciding which account type suits you, click on the Open Account button to initiate the application process. This will guide you to an online form where you'll need to provide some personal details. Enter your name, address, phone number, and social security number. It's crucial to ensure that all this information is accurate as it will be used to verify your identity and secure your new account. Next, you'll likely need to provide some funding information to make your initial deposit. Have your bank routing number and account number handy, as these will be required to transfer funds into your new Capital One account. If you're uncertain about where to find these numbers, they're usually listed on your current bank statement or on the bottom of your checks. Once you have everything filled out, take a few minutes to review your application. Double check that all the information is correct to avoid any delays in the approval process. When you're satisfied, go ahead and submit your application. The entire process typically takes around 10 to 15 minutes, thanks to Capital One's streamlined online system. Upon approval, your new account will be officially opened, and you can start using it immediately. You'll receive confirmation and details on how to access your account online, manage your funds, and take advantage of all the features Capital One offers. And that's it. That's how to open a Capital One bank account. By following these straightforward steps, you now have access to a reliable banking solution that can help you manage your finances with ease. Thanks for watching and happy banking.